Let's go.
Yo, what's up? It is 5 a.m. I just woke up, had a shower, and we are ready to go to Barcelona today. First time ever in my life going to Spain. So yeah, the morning's looking good, no rain. Should be good. Let's go. Okay, so we checked into the hotel. We're in Barcelona. We managed to check in early. This is the room. Really nice. Got a nice view as well of a street view. Very sunny outside, so that's cool. Here for Primavera Sounds. That's what it's called. The music festival. Gonna be hopefully good. Yeah, let's go. Today we're chilling. We're resting. We're going to some restaurants, maybe cafes, bars, taking it easy. And then tomorrow the festival starts. We got our padron peppers. It's a garlic shrimp. But you said I was allergic to seafood, right? Kind of want to try it.
Yeah, you can try.
But it's seafood.
But it's garlic. It would cover the seafood.
Chicken. Bang, bang. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We had the best coffee in Spain, apparently. It's called Nomad. It's actually really good. We also had some lunch, some tapas. Heading back to the hotel now, and then we're heading into the city center. So what is this? The third best club? Third best cocktail bar in the world.
Before like the first one.
It used to be the best in the world.
It's based on almond from here.
Okay.
You just take the glass, incline it, the foam will fall.
Okay.
And then finally, you can enjoy the liquid part. Stick with me, that way I'm sure. Try. You pick it up, exactly. You drink from the below part and try with your nose to engage the smell of the fresh herbs. You have mint, sage, and ginger.
Round 3. Right, day 2 in Barcelona. Woke up late, and now first thing we're doing is getting food because we're hungry. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's like 1 o'clock. I just realized I didn't vlog yesterday. We went for drinks yesterday. Today we're just getting food. Pretty uneventful so far, but we're going to the festival later. So we'll have some more exciting things to do. What are we doing?
Oh.
We're trying to find a place to eat.
Find some place they can serve only paella for one person.
Yeah. So she can finally eat her paella because usually they serve it for 2 people. But I don't eat seafood, so happy days. You don't look too happy. Why?
Because I'm hungry.
Hungry. Look at her face. I ordered a cheese and onion soup. Apps. And now she got her paella. Looks good, to be fair.
You want to try?
No, I just don't like seafood. Okay, we had our food. Now where are we going? We're going where?
The best cafe.
Okay, run. Okay, best cafe in Barcelona. Pretty sure. Oh, someone's motorbike is getting towed away. Why? Can you see it? You seem much happier after food. Literally singing away here like.
It's called a cappella.
A cappella. It's called Ararara. This place looks really cool. It's like a video game. Okay, so apparently this is the coffee. Nomad coffee. Let's try. It's good. You want to try?
Yeah, I could taste like hazelnut.
Yeah, it's good. Can I try?
Yeah.
More floral. Which one? The Burundi.
Yeah. It's looking like a without.
I like mine.
Yeah.
Center of Barcelona, I'm pretty sure. Is that the Casa?
Oh yeah, that one.
What?
Pop Mart too.
Pop Mart. Yeah, we came all the way to Barcelona to go to Pop Mart. Sephora. A man's worst nightmare. Sephora. Wow, so magical. Right, we've arrived. Primavera Sound. No war. Right, we have Occident, 501 Club, Cupra. We're going Cupra first, so we came in from there. And then you have food, so much food. Rocking the shakes. Disneyland in Barcelona. Disneyland. Look at that. So one day it rains in Barcelona. There's lightning, there's thunder, there's rain. But we still partying. Let's go. It's so bad. It was so sunny. What happened? Oh my goodness. Absolutely lashing. So much rain. They canceled that way. That one is canceled. So yeah, are we gonna stay or what are we gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna stay until midnight, see what the story is, but it doesn't look good. It's pouring. There's lightning, there's thunder. Third day in Barcelona, second day of the festival. Yesterday was raining, today it's a bit cloudy but no rain. Should be better weather. And we're here getting food. And here's what we got. We got potatoes. Okay, let's try. Pretty good. I love potatoes, man. Anywhere I go, whether it's China, whether it's London, Potatoes, man. Always eat potatoes. Is it good? Can't eat fish. It's too scary. Day 2 of Primavera. The weather is nicer. No rain today. Gonna see who else. Addison Rae as well. It's gonna be good, hopefully. Yeah, just yesterday this place was full because everyone was hiding under the roof here when it was raining. Thoughts on day 2?
Yeah, the weather is much better.
Yeah.
And more people, more fun. Yeah.
More people, more fun.
The vibe are more good. The vibe are better.
What else?
What else?
Well, who did you like?
So far, we saw Addison Rae. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we're gonna see
Who?
Pink dress.
Oh, Pink Panthers. Yeah. Yeah. Fake Mink. And Skrillex is playing. Who else is playing? So many people are playing. Oh, Cara Delevingne is playing as well.
Today?
Yeah. But yeah, day 2 much better. Obviously, no rain, so
So we play at 4 a.m.
nothing's cancelled. 4 a.m. are the DJs. Peggy Goo.
No, Peggy Goo is tomorrow.
Oh, Peggy Goo's tomorrow. Okay. Day 4, but day 3 of the festival. I probably look wrecked, tired, but we still carry on. We still keep going. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go,
Ferrari, let's go. All right, we're going to the beach now. Just enjoy the weather. The sun finally came out. It's not cloudy like it was yesterday. Seems pretty warm. Yeah, technically we haven't even explored Barcelona properly. Well, I haven't really done any of the touristy stuff, but that's okay. I'm here for the festival, here for the music, here for the vibe. Got a cool restaurant here by the beach. People playing volleyball over there. Man, life in Spain is good. Day 3 of Primavera, Primavera Sound. Bang! We've arrived. We come very late. It's already like 9:30. Who are we gonna see? The XX.
Yeah, I know, Olivia acted.
Olivia Rodriguez, surprise act, and then we have Kneecap and Peggy Goo at like 4 a.m. So it's gonna be a long one tonight. That's why we came late. Primavera 2007. Okay, we're here for Olivia Rodriguez. What's her name?
Olivia.
Olivia what? Right. Do you know any of her songs? Well, I don't know what she's singing. Day 5 in Barcelona. Yesterday was the last day of the festival, Primavera. Wrecked. Had like 5 hours of sleep. Got woken up early by the cleaners as well in the hotel, but we move on. Gonna look for food now. Spanish omelette and then seafood. So much seafood. Finished. Seki. Going home.